Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you all some organization how I have done in my house. So keep watching till the end, it is quite interesting. And if you like this video even a bit, do give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started from my clothing, how I organize my wardrobe. So I use these baskets which I got it from D-Mart. It is about 300 to 400 rupees each basket, and this is how I organize my watches, and that I will show you later. But yeah, these are the clothes which I fold it and I keep it in these baskets, because if you all see, the depth of my wardrobe is quite deep, and this is an rented flat, so I can't do anything about it. So I use such baskets, and all the unwanted clothes I've just kept it back. Not about unwanted clothes which I don't usually wear don't wear it very often, I keep it at the back. So this is how I organize my clothes. So if you all see, the depth of it is really a lot, so that's why I'm using this basket. Without these basket it was really a hassle to manage my clothes, but now I am sorted out. This is a major problem to organize our innerwears. So this is how I have organized. This is my bathroom where I have kept a washing machine, and this stand I got it from Amazon. This is normally a washing machine stand, they say, so we can organize all our detergents and all that I have kept. This is a box which I have kept my sanitary napkins and stuff, so that it is in the box and not just open. So yeah, it's covered and nice. And yeah, coming to the main part, how I organize my innerwears. So I use these three baskets. These are also from D-Mart. It looks really nice. It gives an elegant look to the whole bathroom itself. So one basket I use for myself, one is for my husband, and the middle basket is actually the extra things which I normally buy extra for backup, like the shampoo and soap and all that goes in the middle basket. And this is a hand wash soap, and this thing has a charger. So this actually is a stand for kitchen towels, but I am using it here in my bathroom for the toilet rolls. Yeah. And yeah, here is a small calendar. I normally keep a calendar in my bathroom because it's easy to mark when you remember suddenly, so I just mark the events and keep it there. So everywhere you can see one small calendar always there. And this is actually a car freshener, but I have hung just next to the commode. And yeah, this is a cute little flower pot. This actually we got it as a return gift for my cousin's daughter's birthday. Yeah, and I'm using it here in our bathroom, which gives a really elegant look, and I like that a lot. So next, the way I have organized my daughter's books. So this book stand I actually got it from Amazon. This is really very unique product and very useful. So I'm just removing the books and showing you all how it actually looks. Then I realized the place where I had kept is become really dirty. So first thing first, so I start cleaning that, and then I will show you all the product. Yes, here we go. So this is how actually I've kept it wrong way. If you'll see, the unicorn is actually sleeping, but because I was managing the camera in one hand and I was trying to do it with one hand, that is why I think I did not really notice that I have kept it the wrong way. But when you expand it, you can actually keep so many books in one one product, one stand. And once you keep the books, this is how it looks. I got it the unicorn theme, but there are many with galaxy and so many more. Yeah, next, coming to these wires. Handling wires is really difficult, especially when I have a 1-year-old at home. I really need to be safe with the charging plugs and cables and stuffs like that, because they might put it in their mouth. We will never know. It's quite dangerous. So that is why I've been using this rubber holder. This also I got it from Amazon. Quite cheap it is. I think 150 rupees or 200 rupees for 6, but 2 more I have not fixed it. But this is how, of course, it keeps hanging, but I've used another technique that my daughter doesn't go closer to this wires. But yeah, but wires always get so messy, so I'm using this kind of junction box thing. Coming to this, my favorite part of the kitchen is these masala boxes. Yes, these spice boxes are so cute. I really love them. I got it from Amazon again. This is very easy to open. It comes with such spoon. Every box has a spoon. And it is a set of 2 racks, and I got 2 sets, which is like 4 racks or 4 rows. And it's so cute that I went ahead and started naming them also. And yeah, those like amchur powder and chaat masala, you can see I actually cut the box. I mean, the masala comes in a box, right? So I just cut that names and I have stuck it on that. And others I actually did not have patience, I could say. I just went ahead and stuck a paper, not a paper, masking tape, and I wrote the name. Some don't have names because that is visibly you can make out what it is, like the peppercorns and stuffs like that. So those don't have names. I've not put the names, I mean. And other small bottles, I've just put it aside. So this is how I've organized masala. And here comes the most important, and yeah, I do like the way I have organized this. This is quite old now. It's almost 4 years old that I've been using this rack. I got it actually from Club Factory. Yeah, I got it from Club Factory, and it is going really strong and still using it. Normally lids get so cluttered and it's so difficult. When you get the box, you don't find the lids. So this way it is really organized, and it normally goes on any kind of doors, so it's very easy to handle. You don't have to search anywhere. It just hides inside your cabinet, and just 2 hooks will be seen, but I am totally fine if that is seen. It's still fine. Yeah. And next organization is the side of my fridge. So I use this magnetic whiteboard. So first I will show you all completely how it looks actually. Yeah, so this is a whiteboard. I normally write all the morning routine and night routine, all that I have to do, so that I don't forget. And this is like the dry waste, when I have to keep it outside, because only particular days we can keep the dry waste. So I write it down so I don't forget. And I have a calendar, bigger one, in my kitchen, so it is easier for me to write down something and remember things. And yeah, when I was actually shooting, I realized this is like completely cluttered. So after this video, I actually decluttered and I organized that too, but I have not shooted that. Yeah, and few pictures just for a nice memory uh, while working, I could say. And here, if you see, there are 1 2 3 4 magnetic numbers. This is actually part of my daughter's toys. Why I'm using this is actually I'm supposed to drink 2 liters of water in a day, and I have about 500 ml of bottle. So every time I finish one bottle, I put the number there. Like if I finish 2 bottles, I put 2 on the fridge in front. So that way, end of the day, I know how many bottles I have finished, and that way I can actually finish it faster or slower. And these are some of the meal plans which I have just put it there. Coming to the meal plans, I have actually made this DIY meal plan for my daughter only, which I have put it on the kitchen wall. And this we my dad designed it for me with the time. I mean, it is basically a timetable. And we printed out, and this is normal photo frame with a glass. We framed it, and with my daughter's picture also to personalize it. And I write the whole week's meal for my daughter especially on it, so that it is no confusions. Even sometimes if my husband has to prepare something, he just goes and checks on it and he immediately does that. So that way it is very organized. We know what she's gonna eat next and all that. So that's it for today. If you like this video, definitely do give me a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel and keep watching all my videos. And if you all have any organization ideas, do let me know, and do follow me on Instagram and Facebook too. So thank you so much, and stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.